Hi there! You want to have a cool portfolio website like this one but don't know how? Keep watching the video to find out the best way possible. Showing your portfolio in your personal website is what you need to do. So let's install Phlox theme for free to get your website ready. It's easy. All you have to do is go to Appearance in WordPress dashboard, then click on Add New Theme. Search for Phlox in the search bar, then install and activate it. Easy peasy, right? And next, in Phlox dashboard, go to Demo Importer and search for Portfolio in Demos. This one looks cool. Let's import it. Click Preview. This website looks really nice, to be honest, but it could be more exciting, right? So let's spice things up. In WordPress dashboard, I go to Portfolios where I want to showcase each of these items in an attractive way using Depicter plugin. Head to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Depicter. Install and activate it. You can have all types of sliders in Depicter. For now, I'm sticking with one of the post slider samples. I like this one. Let's import it. You see that nothing much is showing of the portfolio. Don't worry though. Go to Data Source and remove the existing data source. Select the custom post type and choose Portfolios as your post type. I am increasing the number of posts to 8 because I have 8 items to show on my portfolio. Now you see the portfolio items along with their data. Let's customize the slider. I am replacing this user text button with a portfolio categories button and copy the style and animation of the other button to paste them on this one. I am also changing the colors of some of the elements so they would match my website, making some minor changes in the elements' position, size, and text. Last but not least, I am replacing this image with a cool GIF in my gallery. And we're done. Let's preview our slider. As you see, all the portfolio items are present in our slider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Nothing more to do here. Click Publish and let's go to WordPress dashboard. In Pages, navigate to Home and edit with Elementor. Add a new section, add the Depicter widget, and select the slider that you just created. Let's update and see how the slider looks on our website. I just like how a beautiful yet simple slider could elevate a website this much. Alright, that's it folks. Don't forget to let us know what's on your mind in the comments. Thanks for watching. Ciao!